New arrivals this week. How about the 1913 Ford Model T Runabout? This might be the nicest one you've ever seen. Midnight blue and black over black. AACA Senior Grand National winner. Near perfect restoration. 177 cubic inch 4-cylinder engine. 2-speed planetary transmission. Stunning brass. How about the 2017 for a more modern version? 2017 Porsche 718 Boxster. What a lot of fun car to drive.
Talk about a contrast there. It's 100 years apart, and boy, you get a lot more in 2017 than you did in 1913.
Yeah, Agate or Agate, gray metallic over black. Is it gray, Gray, or Grey?
Oh. I mix that up sometimes.
I don't know if I do too. It's like theater, RE or ER. I don't know. Is it gray or gray, Steve? Please find this out, and then let's consistently do this. I used to be really anal about the way things were written. V-8, Ford-speed for trans. It had to all just be exact and the same every time, and if it wasn't, it'd make me crazy.
Well, because of the character limitations in our write-ups, all the dashes are taken out. So
you know what you can't put in any kind of thing that goes on the internet? Internet is the plus sign.
Oh,
if you put the plus sign in it, it makes some gobbledygook stuff. And
hashtags, too.
Hashtags. So just don't forget that.
Anyway, back to the Porsche.
Porsche, 8,986 actual miles, pampered, 300 horsepower, 2-liter, turbo Boxer 4-cylinder engine. This thing is a beast, though.
Yeah.
It will go.
And handle.
And handle like a go-kart. 6-speed PDK automatic transmission. What a fun driver. I mean, this is a lot of car for the money. And probably almost as fun, probably pretty close to the same fun as the 911.
Some people say they're better balanced.
It's lighter. It's not, the 911 has gotten rather large, in case you hadn't noticed. You put on a few pounds there, Porsche.
That's right.
So how about the it seems like we have one of these every week, too. The 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt. What is that, Highland Green? Yeah. I'm just kidding. Yes, of course it's Highland Green.
Yeah.
Over dark charcoal, 1,240 actual miles.
Wow.
Yeah, one of 4,377 built. I think we've had all of them. 315 horsepower, 4.6-liter, 3-valve V8, showroom fresh, comes with a window sticker. Oh, it's got the Tremec 5-speed manual. And then you've got...
I just want to say that every Bullitt we've had sells.
Yeah, it does.
So if you're interested in one, this is a super low mileage one, and check it out.
Do not dilly-dally, as my mother used to say. How about the 1940, opposite spectrum, 1940 Ford Deluxe Sedan, Boyd Coddington Red over saddle, my old buddy Boyd. Numerous first-place show wins, blingy 350, turbo hydromatic 350 automatic, and leather interior and the Wheelsmith custom wheels. Surprised they didn't put Boyd wheels on when it's Boyd.
Right, exactly. I didn't know he had, until I wrote this, that he had a line of paints.
Well, I didn't either. So,
well, when you have a name like Jay Leno or Boyd Coddington, put it on everything.
And I was business partners with him, and I didn't even know he had paint. How do I know?
You might be on that contract.
Yeah, right. That's a whole other story. We won't even get into
Oh, okay.
Okay. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that big of a deal. Son of a gun. No. It should have had the Boyd Coddington wheels on it. But it's nothing but that 1940 Ford Deluxe Tudor Sedan. Normally they're in black or blue. And not much to them. In red, it really pops.
It does pop.
It looks great.
It reminds me of like, what was that? Oh, there's a bunch of children's books that were written in the 30s and 40s. And they always had a little red car like that. And it just reminds me of that.
There.
There you go.
How good am I? And last but, no, I got two more. 72 Dodge Dart Swinger, eggshell white over beige. Really works for that car, though. It sounds a little mundane in the color department, but check it out because it really looks good in that color.
And it's got a stripe, which is cool.
And a stripe, and it's got a worked 440. It's a blast to drive in a 8 3/4 inch sure grip axle. Very well sorted car. 4-wheel power disc brakes, which is nice. And last but not least, a rare duck here. How about the 1965 Ford Mustang T5 hardtop? You say, well, I see a million of those. What can be rare about that? Well, glad you asked, Steve. It is one of 340 in the United States that were built for overseas, and it's number 13 in the T5 registry.
Wow.
Top loader 4-speed with a 289 4-barrel. Nicely restored, but this car is rare. And most people wouldn't know it. You'd walk past it and just think, well, that's just another Mustang, 65 Mustang hardtop.
But oh no.
it is more. And so, it's one of those ones that will catch you flat-footed sometimes.
There is no end to special Mustangs.
There's no end to special cars, period. Just when you think you know everything, you know nothing.
Exactly.
And I don't mean you personally, although I could use you as an example because it's my birthday, so I can
That's whatever
say
you
what
want.
I want.
Right.
We'll give you this for your birthday.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stewart Howden.